with Become a Better Guitar Player, and today I'm going to show you how to play American Idiot by Green Day. It's a great song. If you like thrashing heavy metal, well, not really heavy metal, more of a sort of a punk band, Green Day's the band for you. They're the band for me too. I love them. My wife loves them. So great band, great song. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Helps us out a lot, and it's entirely free. And when we release a new video, you'll get a notification. So let's get started with the lesson. So this song is in standard tuning. It's going to consist of four bar chords. This G sharp, this C sharp, and this F sharp. The chorus is going to be a C sharp, G sharp, and a D sharp. So basically four chords. The way Billy Joe Armstrong plays them, he typically uses two fingers when he makes these mostly, and he's really a charging guitar player, so he really gets some sound out of his guitar. So it goes. This G chord, G sharp chord, is going to be the 4th fret, a bar here. You want to bar across the A and the D string on the 6th fret, okay? Now, I have a hard time barring with my 3rd finger on these upper strings, so I usually do it like this. Put my 3rd finger and my 4th finger on the 6th fret like this. Then you take all your fingers and you move them down one string to the C sharp. From that C sharp, you're going to go up to this F sharp chord. Just backwards. G sharp, F sharp. Okay, so G sharp, C sharp, F sharp, C sharp, D sharp, F sharp. Does it like that, and then it does this. So on the second time around, you leave off this F sharp. And it does that throughout the song. It goes. So that's what he does during the verse. And then it gets to this chorus, and it's just going to be your C sharp chord. To the G sharp chord. Then you move to this D sharp, which is going to be a bar on the 6th fret. Then take your 3rd finger and lay it across these strings here. Back to the G sharp. that's the gist of the chorus and the verse. Then there's a sort of a bridge part, but it's also sort of a lead. And I'm not going to show you the entire lead, but I'll show you the octave chords that are going on behind the lead as he plays it. And he kind of blends it in together here. So it goes. Okay, so it goes. I play this with my first finger on the A string, and I use my little pinky finger down here on the G string, 2 frets up. And you just keep these 2 fingers 2 frets apart with that string in between them. And you got to deaden all your other strings. And I kind of do that with my right hand, my picking hand. So it goes 8, 10, 6, 8, 4, 6. And then back up to the 8, 10. Okay, then it goes. That's going to be 6, 8, 8, 10, 6, 8 to 3, 5. Then it goes. So then it's going to go 1 and 3, 3 and 5, 4 and 6, 6 and 8, 8 and 10, back to 6 and 8, and back to 3 and 5. So it goes like this. Okay, I'll do it beginning to end. There's some more lead guitar going over the top of that, okay? And then it does it one more time. And it goes back into that. And that's how it ends. So if you like some good chugging guitar, Green Day is a great band for you. So I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. Have a great day.